Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to remove all of these labels under the icons for iOS 26. So if you want to remove those app labels on iOS 26, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and long press anywhere on the screen, then tap on Edit, and then tap on Customize. Now next, you want to go ahead and find Customize, and just on the right of it, you'll see this icon, which basically has two boxes, one small, one big. Tap on this. Once you tap on it, the app labels will be removed. So as you can see, all the app labels have been removed. So no more app labels under the apps. If you want to get it back, go ahead and long press on it, tap on Edit, Customize, and then go ahead and tap on this square icon again, and those app labels will reappear. So there you go, guys. That is how to add and remove app labels under your icons on iOS 26.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.